Recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. If you've ever accidentally deleted important Facebook messages on Messenger, you're probably wondering if you can get them back. Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. Sometimes messages that seem deleted might actually be archived. This means they're hidden from your main inbox but not actually deleted. To check, open the Messenger app, simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner or the three horizontal lines and simply tap on archive. Here you'll find any conversation you've archived by mistake. Check if the messenger you're looking for are there. Now another method is to check your Facebook data. Facebook keeps a record of all the messages and interactions you've had, and you can download your data including messages. To do that, open Facebook, go to settings, simply tap on settings, tap on see more's in account center. From there, tap on your information and permissions. From there, tap on download your information. Now click on download or transfer information. Here you can simply tap on a specific type of information. Now we're trying to simply get our messages back, so simply tap on messenger messages and simply click on next. Here you can simply choose whether you want to download the information to the device or transfer to the destination, so you can choose whichever you prefer. And you'll be asked the date range from where you want to simply download the messages. It might be last week, last month, or last 6 months, or last years. You can choose whenever you delete the messages. Let's say for now last week. Simply click on save and tap on create file, and your deleted messages will be downloaded in a file. And that's how you can attempt to recover deleted Facebook Messenger messages.